So here's my review of this bird carrier. So you can see, compared to a dining room table or chair, this is the size. The really good feature, oh, this is upside down. Is the mesh. So the sides are mesh, which gives it a good amount of breathability. This is a nice strong carry over the shoulder type. This is the handle for carrying. In the back it has the backpack, and then on the side it has like these little mesh pockets, which are really good for like a mini water bottle. It could hold like a 12-ounce water bottle. And then they have this feature which holds this roll-up portion in place. So it has one on both sides as well as a mesh on both sides. So here's the thing that holds the top in place. That's a nice feature that wasn't present on another one of ours. And then I kind of want to tell you about what we have in here, which is they give you this metal container that keeps the feces contained with a little grill for standing on. It's got a 1-inch perch in there, which is good for conure-sized birds. Maybe a little bit big for a parakeet. But what we did was we took and got an extra feature of including these. I don't know if you can see it. This is the additional feature that we did. We added a rope ladder which goes through these nice 4 holes in the bottom. And you can also feed your parrot a treat through that. And then one other thing I wanted to mention is that if you have kind of a disabled bird or a bird that has trouble perching, you can buy one of these 3-way places to put a bird. And these are also really good for weighing birds because they just sit right on top of it, and then you put it on the scale and it tells you how many grams they are. Okay, so overall, really nice plastic feature. And we keep a little towel in there or some paper towels to keep the droppings, but really well made. And please forgive me, this is my first time to attempt a video, so I hope you enjoy it.